everyone. Welcome to our channel, Southern Belles. I'm Wanda.
And I'm Rebecca.
And we have our
Ipsy. It feels like just yesterday that we did an Ipsy unbagging, so I don't know if I'm just getting older or if it hasn't been that long since we've gotten it, but time sure has seemed to fly.
It has. It has. And I was teasing her because hers is so flat and mine's so full.
They like her better than me.
Well, I do remember that I used some of my points this time, but I can't really remember what I chose to get, so it's going to be a surprise.
All right.
Okay.
Let's go for it.
All right. Oh, that's why mine's so thick. Okay.
Ooh, I like this month's bag. Cool. Those are cute. Very, not even springy. They're summery. They're getting us ready for summer.
Nice lemons. Goes with your strawberries.
Yeah, that's right. And they're very fruity over here.
And it has a little ribbon tie.
Cute. And it's kind of different than the other ones. Most of them zip at the top. This one zips here in the on down a little bit. It folds over.
A vinyl feeling almost.
This would be easy to clean, I think, if it got dirty, which is good because it's white in it. So,
but that's cute. I like
cool.
that.
Why don't you show what your add-on is first?
Well, the reason mine was so thick is because I have several things that are outside of the bag. So this was my add-on. Oh, it's Tone Up Primer by Yensa Essential Glow. And I know the reason I tried this last time. Can you see it?
Sorry, people are moving around in our house if you hear noises.
Last month in my Ipsy bag, I got my very first primer ever. And it was actually a gel primer, Ilamasca. I'm not sure how you say it. I really liked it. So when I saw that this was up with the points, let's see if I can get that a little bit better.
Sorry, our lighting is just rough sometimes.
There we go.
That's good.
When I saw that primer was one of the choices that you could make, that's what I decided to use my points for. So I was very excited about that.
Definitely.
Okay, now outside my bag also, and I am always glad to get these. These are sheet masks. Okay, this one's Red Fruits Brightening Mask. And then on the other side, and it's in a little package, is Broccoli Plumping Mask. So I hope it doesn't make my face look like broccoli, but the plumping part is good. And do you want to try that?
Wang Jisoo?
Or is it up here? Dr.
Wang Beauty Lab.
Beauty Lab. Okay. I always love getting sheet masks. I do. So I am very, 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 very pleased with this because I need some right now. Okay, your turn.
Okay, so I had something outside of my bag, but it wasn't an add-on, I don't believe. It was just maybe too big to fit in there, or maybe it's an extra because it seems like it would fit. But anyway, it is a brush. I get lots of brushes, and I appreciate my brushes. I just need to start using them more. This is Vasanti. And it's a nice brush, soft. It's very, the bristles are soft, but it's also got a lot of firmness to it. I guess that's what the word I'm looking for. So that you can use it. It has a lot of control, I guess, because of that firmness. So
that looks like something you could use in the crease. I don't know. I mean, I don't
know.
I'm no expert at it.
Yeah, I just don't know what to do with a lot of the brushes. If you know of a good tutorial video or a YouTube channel that does like good makeup videos that can tell me how to use my brushes, then please let us know in the comments below because I just don't know with a lot of it.
And one thing about Ipsy, and I don't know if you knew this, but you can go on when you do your reviews, and you can go on and sometimes they'll give you videos of how to use certain things, but it does usually give you suggestions anyway.
That's good to know.
So
cool.
Okay. All right. So now I'm going to zip it open, and I'm going to pull out.
Ooh, what's this?
Tarte Double Duty Beauty Base Tape. I can't read the fine print.
Hydrating primer.
I got another primer.
Set for primers.
Hey, I'm happy with that. And Tarte.
That's a pretty tube. The cap is pretty.
I'm trying to get this up here where you guys can see it a little bit better. the products that I've had by Tarte so far, I have really enjoyed. That's a little bit better.
Yeah,
That's a pretty cap on that.
that's what I was saying. That's very pretty.
So now I don't know which one I'll use first, but
All right, I'm going to unzip it. Now, and I really don't remember anything that I'm getting in this one, so I'm excited to see. All right, this is, the Bonjour Creamy Lip Stain. And let's see what color it is. Ooh, so it's this really nice mauve kind of color. I don't know how it's going to look because I do have on another color right now. I like how it feels. It's a very thick consistency, which always makes my lips feel like it's gonna stay. Or not that my lips will stay, but that the color is gonna stay on my lips. I'm gonna hold that up a little so you can see it a little better. But yeah, I really like that, and it's a cute little tube.
it is cute. That's
Tube. It's very French style fashion kind of tube. So yeah, so I'm very pleased with that. I'm excited to use it.
okay. Oh, I've got bubble wrap. I got
Bubble
something
wrap.
in bubble wrap.
Oh, that's a
Wow,
nice sized item. Wow.
This has to be full size.
That must be full size.
It looks like a highlighter.
Ooh.
If I can get it out of the bubble wrap.
Make you work for it if they give you
Okay.
a full size item.
Now this is, yes, this Ofra highlighter Rodeo Drive.
Not to be confused with Oprah. It is Ofra.
Ofra. Ofra. And of course this is the
Looks like a
packaging.
seashell.
And it's almost, it looks like it has like a golden color to it.
Uh-huh.
I'll swatch it. And I do like highlighters. I had never used them before I started getting beauty subscriptions. I don't think you're going to be able to see. I really don't. In this lighting, I don't think you're going to be able to see. Maybe a little bit.
Nice.
It's a very nice consistency. I like that. So
That is nice.
be anxious to see
Cool.
how that works.
All right, so my next one is, some more lip stuff. But this is a lip balm, so this is nice. I can wear it or use it in my purse. It's Moroccan Magic Argan and Essential Oil Lip Balm and Peppermint. Ooh. I like scented stuff. And that smells really nice. It smells like peppermint. I'm not going to put it on right now because I don't want to mess up the clear color where I just put on the other lip balm. But it just looks like lip balm. But there's the tube. It's Moroccan Magic. I'm a trumpet player. I don't play that often anymore, but if you know anything about brass instruments, it's always nice to have a good lip chapstick or lip balm on hand if you play brass. So yeah, I'm glad to get that.
I always like getting the lip balm.
It's nice to have. It's just nice to have.
Okay, all right. This is nail polish
Ooh.
by Pretty Woman. I was looking to see if I could find the Berry Wild. So
Ooh.
here's the packaging.
Probably purple or red.
Oh my goodness.
Let's see what color it is.
Not sure why it's so. There we go. If I turn it sideways, it seems to. Don't know why that is.
So far, we've gotten all different stuff this time. That I don't think has ever happened before. But we're not done yet. But still. Oh, that's cool.
Oh, it's a
That's
dark,
pretty.
yeah, it's a dark berry color. That is pretty.
I like that. That'll look good on toes, too.
Yeah, I like that a lot. I like that an awful lot.
Beautiful.
Okay, so I'm excited for that.
All right. My next item is, I've got a lot of pretty packaging this time, or just interesting packaging. This is Moods. I think it's an eyeshadow. Let me show you the little, so it has a slide out case. So I'm going to show you the front cover first. That's the front cover. And then it slides out to this. And it is an eyeshadow. Ooh, that's a dark eyeshadow. I don't know that I'm going to be able to use this. I might can use it for my brows maybe because it's very dark. There we go. Now, if you know what to do with dark eyeshadow on pale people like me, please let me know that too. I really like the packaging. I think it's very cute. And I'm looking for a color name. It doesn't have a color name, but there is a number, 8318, and it's got like a picture of like coffee on the back. So I don't know if maybe that means that that's the color that it's supposed to represent, like coffee. But yeah.
I actually found the card. Very last thing that I pulled out was the card that told all about it. I didn't have one last time, I don't think.
Okay, so I was right. Yeah, this is Laura Sanchez's Moods eyeshadow in chocolate shake. So it wasn't coffee, but it was a chocolate shake. So I was right about the icon standing for something.
Very close.
But anyway.
And the funny thing is how we said we didn't have the same thing.
Oh, uh-oh.
I also have the Laura Sanchez
Spoke too
Moods,
soon.
but it's in a different color though when it look according to my card. So it does the same cute little thing.
That is a different color, but it's still very...
And the color that I have is an, what is it? Martini olive green, which I don't know if I'll use it as a shadow, but I may use it as a eyeliner.
That could work with your green eyes. That could work really nicely.
I'm going to have to try it out and see, because normally, well, I'm going to swatch a little bit of it and let's see what it looks like. Yeah, I probably would not wear this on my lid. It's a little bit too daring for me, but
it would work as an eyeliner.
But for really using it as a liner, I think that'll work. We'll see anyway. We'll try it.
We'll try it and see. All right, so my last item, it feels like some sort of tube, is, oh, yeah, I spoke way too soon. This is also the Tarte Double Duty Beauty Base Tape Hydrating Primer. So you've already seen it. There it is. Oh, you don't need to see it again. But yeah, so I got this as well, which I like. I'm thankful for it. It's just funny that I said that we didn't get anything alike, and then our next two items were the same thing.
That's exactly right.
So yeah, that's cool. Did you open all of your items yet?
I did. That's everything.
Okay, cool. So I got the brush, the lip stain, the lip balm, the Double Duty Beauty Primer, and the Moods eyeshadow. So a lot of really small items this time, but really good items and really fun items. So cool. I like them.
That is very nice.
And I really like the packaging this time around too.
Yeah, some very cute things.
Yes.
Okay, so I also got the primer as well as the add-on primer.
Mm-hmm.
I got the Laura Sanchez eyeshadow. I'm not going to be able to hold all this, I don't think. I got the beauty mask. I got fingernail polish, which you usually get fingernail polish.
Oh, I do usually.
And I got the highlighter.
You did fit it all in your hands.
So yes.
She can be a juggler now.
It's a pretty nice haul for $10, you know?
Yeah.
I don't think you can beat that.
That is really nice.
I did get an email today that said that I was eligible for the, what is it? The Glamour, Ipsy Glam Plus bags. So we'll see. I don't know. We'll see. It's a little bit, I think those are full-size items.
Oh, that's cool.
In fact, I saw somebody open one today. I think it was Georgia Sunshine. And she got a palette of the Laura Sanchez colors.
How much more expensive is it?
I think it's $25.
So it's really not that much worse for full-size items.
Right.
That's pretty good.
So we'll see. I don't know. I knew there was a waiting list, so I don't know if that means, I don't know what it means. We'll see. But we thank you so much for joining us today for our Ipsy Unbagging. That's always very fun because I like to try the different stuff.
Mm-hmm.
And if you haven't already, we would love to have you subscribe to our channel.
Please do.
Click the notification bell and give us a thumbs up if you like Ipsy. Comment and tell us what you got in your Ipsy bag.
Sounds great.
We would love to know. And until next time, we hope you just have a wonderful week.
See you back soon.
Thank you. Bye-bye.